When we opened our doors in 1986, we were aware of about 250 miles of rail trail in the U.S. Today, there are more than 23,000 miles. What started out as a good idea has become a national movement.
You have to have patience and persistence in order to get this work done. None of these trails are built overnight. We've had such a strong membership base. Their loyalty has really created that consistent base of support that we've needed year in, year out.
We've accomplished a lot in the last 18 years. What I'm most proud of is the Rails-to-Trails Conservancy is stronger and more effective today than it's ever been.